Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of boring alarm clocks that fail to impress? Look no further than the audio electronic clock charging smart digital from OOAYDYWO. This smart clock is a game changer with its sleek metal frame and wood finish that adds a touch of sophistication to any room. The metallic lacquer finish is smooth to the touch, and the matte lacquer finish gives it a subtle sheen that's not too overwhelming. The aluminium hands are firm and beautiful, with a delicate texture that's not easy to scratch, and the thick, clear marking on the clock face is easy to read without any blurring. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear why it's so well reviewed. For one, the setup is incredibly easy, so you can get started right away. The smart tech features are also super practical, making it easy to charge your devices and stay connected. Plus, the clock itself is very quiet, with a gentle ticking sound that's soothing to listen to. In real life, this means you can place it in your bedroom without worrying about it keeping you awake at night. It's also perfect for a home office or living room, where you want a stylish and functional clock that can keep up with your busy schedule. What really sets this clock apart is its attention to detail, from the smooth hands to the clear markings. It's clear that OOAYDYWO has put thought into designing a product that's both beautiful and functional. Whether you're looking to upgrade your old alarm clock or add some style to your decor, the audio electronic clock charging smart digital is a great choice. So why not give it a try and see the difference for yourself? With its unique combination of smart tech, easy setup, and stylish design, it's sure to be a great addition to any room. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.